Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll do a quick tour of the IKEA store in Namma Bengaluru. The new IKEA store is very close to the Nagasandra Metro Station on the Green Line. The store is open to the public officially on the 22nd of June 2022. But since we had registered for the pre-launch event, we got an opportunity to visit the store on the 19th of June. IKEA was started in Sweden in 1943 that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furniture, kitchen appliances and home accessories among other goods and home services. The store opening hours are from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And they also have a Swedish restaurant which opens at 9:30 a.m. and closes by 9:30 p.m. After completing the security check, we drove towards the parking area. They have two levels of parking, level 1 and level 2. Anywhere you go in IKEA, you see this word hedge, which basically means hello in Swedish language. We parked our car at level 2. You can either use the lifts or the escalator to go to the store. The store also has two levels, level 1 and level 2. We are now on the level 1 of the store and there is a kids play area and the shopping hall. The billing section is also on level 1 and there is also a cafe. And on level 2, you'll find a wide range of well-designed, affordable home furnishing solutions. We are now on level 2. This numbered signs board comes very handy when you are in the IKEA store. You can find these across the store and it will tell you exactly as to where you are. So if you notice on level 2, there are sections from 1 to 10, 10 being the Swedish restaurant. And on level 1, we have the market hall, the billing area and also the Swedish bistro. And there are also shortcuts to move from one section to the other. As soon as you enter the store on level 2, you will find the living room furnishings. There are also price tags attached to each of the products displayed there. So the products that you intend to buy, you can just click a pick and come and buy the same thing on level 1. Then there is a section for the living room storage. There are numerous options on display, so you really can choose the best one that you like. Section 4 is for the dining area. Since this is a quick tour, we have just covered few options, but there are a lot more to see and explore. Then there is an area for the kitchen setup. There are also folks out here who can actually support with the planning and installation of your new kitchen. The IKEA store is very huge, so be prepared for a long, tiring day. But if you intend to do just shopping, you can directly go to level 1 and complete your shopping within 2 to 3 hours. Next section is for the workspaces. Again, there are a lot of options to set up your office space. This was one of my favorite spots in the store. Next we come to the bedroom section. Again, lots and lots of options. Next is the children's area. So a lot of options for the kids' beds, the study chair and table, the toys, etc. So towards the end of level 2, you will come to the Swedish restaurant where you can grab a quick lunch. Once you complete your lunch, you can go down to level 1, which is actually the market hall. Just like sections on level 2, you also have sections here as well. So just grab a trolley, go to the sections that you like and pick what you need. So there is everything here that you need for your cooking and also dining. Then there is a textile section where you can pick up cushion covers, bedspreads, cushions, towels, etc. And there is also a wide variety of carpets to select from. There is a section for home organization. So you get a lot of storage options, racks, stands, etc. The lighting section at IKEA is very huge and very beautiful. There are endless varieties of lights that you can choose from. There are also wall decoration and home decoration items, which are really very pretty. They also sell indoor and outdoor plants. And there's also a wide variety of pots. And finally, you would come to the self-serve furniture area followed by the billing section. Once you're done with your billing, you can grab something real quick at the Swedish bistro, which is after the billing section. Some of the options that they have are samosas, pizza puffs, cinnamon rolls, etc. And you can also opt for unlimited hot or cold beverages. So this video ends here. I hope you really enjoyed the quick tour of IKEA. Please do like this video and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. And if you are new on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. So until we meet again, this is Sheba signing off.